decorations. And I am going to move on to next. Which one, Stacy?
How about another pumpkin?
Pumpkin. Dad, which colors?
The white and green.
No, for pumpkin.
Oh, for pumpkin. How about black? And red.
Okay. Black and red.
Okay, let's
Sure,
sign off.
Ed.
This is chaos.